Boya by M1. So yeah, this is the best microphone for YouTubers. You can buy it under 1000 rupees. So yeah, this is a very affordable price for a starting YouTuber. So yeah, in this video let's see the unboxing and what are the things that we can get in this box. So let's start. So this is the package of Boya by M1. I got it from Flipkart, cost me around 750 rupees, and let's unbox this. In any of my previous purchases. So let's open this box. This is a bill, and this is our Boya by M1 box, and it's really heavy. And when you're buying a Boya by M1 mic, you have to check whether it's a duplicate or original product. You can see this holographic logo here. If your product is original, then you can see this on your package. If it's not a original product, then you can't see this product on your label on your product. So let's open the box, and when we opens the box, it opens like this, and inside this box, yeah, we're getting a user manual. Obviously we don't read it anyway, and this is some kind of warranty card, and we also don't need that because we have the replacement option, in Flipkart. And here is the bag for the Boya by M1, and you can see the Boy branding here, and this is the actual product. So you will get these items. So these are all the items that you can get in this box. This is a silica gel. Obviously we don't need that, also don't eat it, those are not eatables. And this is a cover which has a 1/4-inch pin for the, I don't know what the purpose is this. And we'll also get a foam cushion, and this is a clip, and these are some this is extra battery, so that's nice. And inside this is the actual product that we are getting inside this box, and this comes with a 3.5mm jack. And the highlight thing about this microphone is this: its length is almost 6 meters. That means it almost 20-foot cord. It's a 6 meter, and it's also a 2 meter, I think. And yeah, that's all you will get inside this box. And this microphone can be used to cameras and also microphone mobiles. When you are using this microphone with the mobiles, you have to switch to off smartphone. That means this will consume the battery from mobile. And when you turn this up to camera, this will consume the battery from inside of this this will consume the power from the battery which is given in this box. So let me give you a overview how this Boya by M1 sounds. And also one more thing, this clip is made out of metal, you can hear, so that's a nice thing. How to attach the clip with this microphone? You just when you see this clamp, you have to just put the clamp align with this mobile and put this like this, and just push it, and that slides into the place, and that's it. Let's go to the audio check. So this is the audio that you are hearing from my mobile's microphone, and my mobile is iQOO 3, and I'm shooting this in a very noisy condition. You can observe the voice. I will just keep silent for 5 seconds. You can understand how the background noise feels. Now I will connect my Boya by M1 microphone, and let's see how that sounds. And right now the audio that you're hearing is coming from this Boya by M1 microphone, and I'm clicking this to my collar right next to my mouth, and you can hear now the voice of this Boya by M1 picking. And I will just stay calm for 5 seconds, and that means so that you can understand how this picks the background noises. So this is the audio sampling test of this Boya by M1 microphone, and the videos that you're going to see from the tomorrow are shooting with this Boya by M1 microphone. So that means so that I can provide a better audio videos for you friends. So that's it for the video, and hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you like this video.